What's going on, guys? Matthias here. Today in this video I'm going to be telling you guys 3 ways that I make money on the internet and that you can do too, starting today. So if you guys enjoy this video, make sure you drop a like and subscribe because I've been uploading every day and you guys seem to be enjoying it, so I'm going to keep doing it. So anyway, let's just get in the video. Now, number 1 is reselling. Now, if you guys don't know what reselling is, it's basically, well, you can resell for most products, but what I do is I resell clothing like Supreme and Bape and like this shirt. I'm probably gonna end up reselling it in a couple days for like a few $100, but yeah, that's just like the basics of it. Now you guys can follow my my Instagram account. It's at Mr. Balenciaga with 2 A's on it. If you guys just want to check that out and maybe see how I'm doing that, and so you guys can do your own stuff and start your own little Instagram business up. Now, I'm saying with this, there's a website also that I sell on called Grailed, but the fees on that lately have been pretty shit, so Instagram is probably the best way to go. Basically what I do is, this is the shirt I'm wearing. I just post it on here, people offer up, and yeah, you take the best price. So when you're doing this, the best thing to do is be consistent and always look at all these pictures. These are all from the past week. All these Supreme stuff, all these Supreme hoodies and shit. And then also on here, just to keep my followers active, so it's not just flooded with flooded with just selling and selling. You can also post clothing pics just to keep everyone active and shit. So yeah, if you guys want to go follow that, I'll leave it down in the description, and yeah, you can do that. I have around 17,000 followers on it right now, and it makes me a pretty good amount of money. I'd probably say, besides trading currencies, that's probably the biggest money maker for me. Now, number 2 is probably what you guys are subscribed to this channel for, but I've just been doing a lot of different stuff recently, so I hope you guys like it. But the second thing is trading. You can download this app called Coinbase. Now, if you're very first starting, Coinbase is perfect for you, but if you really want to making some money, you don't really want to use this because the fees are horrible. I remember when Bitcoin was going down the other day, I tried to send a $200 transaction and ended up sending a $135 fee with that transaction, so that was complete bullshit. So I contacted support. Their support is complete shit. So if you can't afford to lose a little bit of money, I don't suggest doing big purchases on Coinbase, but yeah, here's the app. Bitcoin's at 15,000. Bitcoin Cash. Do not invest in Bitcoin Cash. That's at 3,000 right now. Ethereum, I think that's the safest investment on here right now. It's at $767. And then there's Litecoin, which is a pretty safe investment too. But yeah, you can just easily link up your bank or your card on here and just buy however much you want, and it'll automatically tell you your values of how much you made that day and how much you have in your accounts. Now, number 3 is social media advertising. Now, this is one that's a little bit hard to get started if you're just if you don't know anything about it and you don't have a lot of funds to get started. But I've been doing this the longest, and I used to make really good money doing this, but then I kind of slowed down a little bit because I don't know, I just fell off, I guess. But I still make a little bit of money from this, and yeah, you can follow me on Twitter right here. This is this is my personal account, and then I own around 6 or 7 accounts on Twitter that retweet advertisements and everything. And there's businesses that'll just contact you and say, hey, we're coming out with a new product, can we put our link in your next post? And they'll be like, sure, and then they'll pay you around, what I get paid is around $16 per 100,000 people who see the tweet. So usually people book 1 million impressions at a time, so that's a few $100. But that's only if you have a network. It's kind of hard to get started, but you can buy small accounts, and if they have active followers, people are still going to want to buy promotions with you, and you can still make a little bit of money from it. And yeah, to grow your accounts, honestly, you just have to stay consistent, and you have to just post things that are trendy right now. If you're a meme page, you just post whatever people think's funny, and if they follow you, then you just keep on going with it. Anyway, I just want to make a short little video today explaining how to make some money if you guys are just not wanting to work a normal job, because I don't want to work a normal job. So if you have the skills to use the internet to make money, then you can do all of these. It's pretty easy to get started. If you guys need any help, just hit me up on Twitter, on Instagram, the YouTube comments, anything. Yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. If you guys enjoyed, make sure you drop a like and subscribe, because I'm going to keep uploading every day. And yeah, that's it. Peace.